This is for the Neopromedicalchinstrap Anti-Snoring Strap. And it goes around like this. It velcros right here. So where velcros to. It's very soft. It fits around the ear like that. Any thoughts to how it feels?
It's comfortable.
Yeah? Is it thick? How do you feel like the neoprene is? The quality of the neoprene?
It looks pretty good, honey.
Okay. But it fits around your ears okay? It doesn't chafe or hurt or pull up on you?
It's different. It's not what I'm used to sleeping with.
But it's comfy enough to sleep in though.
I guess.
Okay, we will see how well it works. You see how well it fits on your chin? Fits okay on your chin? Right, it fits like this. Right, where is it? It's like right here, right below your chin area. Alrighty, so we'll see how well it works. Okay, moved it slightly upwards because I think it was too much on his neck, so now it's somewhat covering his chin. Well, it is covering his chin, but it's like more towards his chin, which I think is the right way of doing it. And we shall see tonight how it works. But this is the only one I found that actually fits properly over the ears and around the head without it making it feel like you have your whole head in a sling. So let's see how well it does on the snoring end of everything. Alright, let's see if he's asleep and if he's snoring. What the heck? What? Oh, gracious. I was going to say, I never heard you snore like that before. Sorry, go back to sleep. Okay, we'll try again in about an hour.